Congratulations, Gaurish, and you will be joined in by your fellow finalists. Let's welcome onto the stage Bugui Golme from Manipur. Congratulations, you made it. And now, let's welcome Kunjang Dorji Bhutia from Sikkim. All right, keep your fingers crossed. And now, let's move on in welcoming Krishna Das from Assam. The last finalist of the season, Martin Ironbaum from Manipur. And my dear judges, these are our top 5, the finalists of the 13th Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast. And over to the jury bench.
First of all, congratulations for making it to the top 5. You all rock. Awesome work, guys. Okay, so my question to you all is, listen carefully. How will you represent our Northeast to the world out there?
I'll help you out. How would you represent Northeast to the rest of the world? Okay, that is the question by ma'am. And from the jury bench, Krishna, the question, if in Assamese, it has to be reiterated. Biswa Dorbarat, tumi Uttor Purbancholok kene dhorone protinidhitto koriba aji ei monchole ahila aru iar joriote hok ba jibonote hok agbahi jetia jabage tetia Uttor Purbancholok Biswa Dorbarat tumi kene dhorone protinidhitto koriba. Thik ase? Okay, so he will read his name aloud and then he'll share his answer.
First of all, a very good evening to you all and to all the judges present here tonight. My name is Pogui Golmei, and if I were to represent Northeast to the world, present Northeast to the world, I would show the world that the beauty of Northeast, whether it may be the cultures, the beautiful lands, and the cultural diversities. Thank you.
Krishna Das this side. Firstly, thank you so much, jury members, for asking us this beautiful question. So, my answer to this question is, in international platform, we would like to present our Northeast with carrying ourselves with the raw personality we have. Because in international platform, always we should carry the raw personality includes dedication, hard work, confidence, and mainly the inner self. So these things can make us to chase our dreams. After all, we are Northeast. Thank you so much, everyone.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Martin Ironbaum. If I were given the privilege to represent Northeast internationally, then I will represent Manipur, Northeast with love, because there is no greater gift than love. Love binds the whole world together, and the world will be a better place to live in. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for the question, ma'am. First of all, I would like to represent myself from Northeast because I wanted to show the world that what kind of religion, tradition, culture, and what kind of different facilities we can use for our country, Northeast. And it will also help many other states to build up their competence in national pageant too. And lastly, Mega Mr. Northeast will also guide us and help us to groom ourselves to reach that platform. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Gaurish Singh, and a good evening to the respected judges and this beautiful audience. So, to answer your question, how would I represent my Northeast in the world? It's a very simple answer for me is acceptance, because I'm a Manipuri guy living in Guwahati among the Assamese people, and they've accepted me with so much love. And if I have to take my Northeast to the world, I would talk about the beautiful place and the beautiful territory that Northeast consists of. For example, there is a place in Meghalaya. There's a beautiful place in Meghalaya. There are beautiful hills in the Manipur, the beautiful hills of Sikkim and Nagaland, Arunachal. I mean, I can go on forever if I have to talk about Northeast to the world. And I believe Northeast has a place in this world, has a place, has a name, and has an identity that is unique on its own. And with that, I would take my leave, and thank you so much for the question, judges, again.
Adong Jamatia from Tripura. And Bihuzo Kensei from Nagaland. The two gentlemen, the two reigning winners, thank you so much. And now, time to welcome onto the stage our top 5 of this edition back on stage. Thanks to Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, a Shillong-based brand in the process to expand in other northeastern states, and we wish them luck. And here we take the privilege and delight to welcome upon stage Mr. Stranuslan Marwin, the founder of Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, and Mr. Rishan Pariat, the co-founder of Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. Butterfly Collection is the fastest growing and the leading brand in Shillong, and also have received the recognition nationwide and have won numerous awards. Once again on stage, Mr. Stranuslan Marwin and Mr. Rishan Pariat. Thank you, gentlemen, for gracing. They are looking amazing in your collection, and you know, the microphone is yours. Decide who's going to speak tonight.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges over here, and our amazing contestants, and let's not forget our lovely audience over here. So we stand here today, Butterfly Clothing and Accessories, as a proud official fashion partner for Miss and Mr. Mega Northeast 2024. Doesn't stand just for a fashion. It's more about embracing the changes and enjoying the journey. So I would like to hand over the mic to my brother over here. He'll just talk about more about Butterfly.
So I'll just speak only a few words and thank you so much for this Miss and Mr. Mega Miss Northeast for giving us such an incredible journey to be a part of this, and I would like to thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. That's Butterfly Clothing and Accessories. All right, hold on. Calm down. Calm down, everyone. All right, so everyone out there, a huge, huge, huge shout out to the man who has been executing this successful show over the past 20 years and to continue. The doyen of the industry, his vision, his passion, his dedication have made this a prestigious, unforgettable, and a global event. None other than Mr. Abhijit Sinha. Oh my God, Abhijit, we reached the 13th edition. Good long 13th edition. I'm sure you have a lot to say, and the microphone is all yours.
To my title sponsor, Setwet, thank you so much for this opportunity. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart Mr. Ankit Desai. Ankit sir, thank you so much. This was amazing. Partners in crime, Nilesh Bagaria, we have worked very hard for this. Nilesh, thank you so much. From Kila, Jason sir, thank you for trusting in us. From Butterfly, Marvin, amazing clothing you have created, and I think Northeast really is fashionable. Setwet, Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition co-winner is Assam Gauri Singh. The next co-winner of Setwet, Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition is Manipur Martin Irangpam. Can all the three come down? The three, can you come down here? Ladies and gentlemen, Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 2024 13th edition is Assam Krishna Das. One of them will be representing India at the Top Model of Universe in Turkey this year. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us from Assam Krishna, from Manipur Martin, and Gorish from Assam. The winner to represent India at the Top Model of Universe is Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, Mega Mr. India, Top Model of Universe. Thank you, Aman. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the brand new winners of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 13th edition.
We would now like to welcome on stage Mr. Jiten Singh, the proprietor, Flamingo the Cafe, Komakochi, Sonapur, to give away the prize, which is worth rupees 30,000. That's a cash prize, rupees 30,000 cash prize by Flamingo the Cafe, Komakochi, Sonapur, Mr. Jiten Singh. And now I welcome on stage Mr. Habib Mohammad Chaudhary, who shall be giving away a fragrance hamper which is worth rupees 75,000 by HSMM Fragrance. Fragrance worth rupees 75,000 by HSMM Fragrance. Thank you. So thank you, Habib Mohammad Chaudhary, sir. Thank you so much. May we take the honor in welcoming onto the stage Salim Hakim, the celebrity hairstylist, to give away hampers to the winner, the Setwet hampers to all the three winners tonight of the 13th edition of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast. They also receive a hamper from Illumis Aesthetic Clinic. The hamper comprises pamper services worth rupees 10,000. Aman Kondilia to hand over the hamper to the three winners. That's the hamper. Please accept it from Illumis Aesthetic Clinic. Service hamper worth rupees 10,000. Congratulations.
The winners will be also exclusively wearing killer jeans. Buy killer jeans for you. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This was a wonderful night, a successful night, and a night to be remembered. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, dear judges. Thank you, audience present in the auditorium. Thank you who have been watching us live tonight. Thank you so much. Block your date for tomorrow because tomorrow we have a gala evening and that's Sansal Serum Mega Miss Northeast, of course, by Mega Entertainment and marketed by Mega Activation. Good night. Take care. I'm signing off. Thank you. Bye.